Assalamu alaikum. You're listening to the Tum version of the dialogue covered in the third episode on how to ask someone why they're learning something. If you've been following us from the start, you know that for every dialogue in which we use aap or aapka, we have the exact same dialogue, replacing aap and aapka with tum and tumhara. So this is the Tum version. This will allow you to have the exact same conversation in a more informal way. So let's get to it.
तुम उर्दू क्यों सीख रही हो?
ये मेरे मुल्क की ज़बान है और बहुत खूबसूरत है.
तो तुम उर्दू बोल सकती हो, लेकिन पढ़ और लिख नहीं सकती.
जी, बिल्कुल. The dialogue begins with तुम उर्दू क्यों सीख रही हो? So the translation remains the same. Aap becomes tum. But remember, this is being asked to a woman. What would you ask a man in the informal tone? तुम उर्दू क्यों सीख रहे हो? Rahi for a woman, rahe for a man, whether it's formal or informal. And the response doesn't change. ये मेरे मुल्क की ज़बान है और बहुत खूबसूरत है. Next, we do have a change. तो तुम उर्दू बोल सकती हो, लेकिन पढ़ और लिख नहीं सकती? Same meaning. So you can speak Urdu, but can't read or write it? So if you take the example of rahi for a woman and rahe for a man and apply it to this question, how would तो तुम उर्दू बोल सकती हो, लेकिन पढ़ और लिख नहीं सकती change? So how would I ask that same question to a man? The answer is तो तुम उर्दू बोल सकते हो, लेकिन पढ़ और लिख नहीं सकते? So the sakti changes to sakte. And the response would stay the same. Ji, bilkul, which means yes, exactly. So there you have it. Another way to have the same conversation in a more informal manner. If you have any questions about any of the episodes or our video lessons, be sure to post it on our Facebook page and we'll answer them there. As always, shukriya and